Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional with extra puzzles in today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. 3 days to go till end of the year. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the ladder Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it'll be weird. It will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, number 7695. 7695. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one 28. Yeah, should be an easy one, because usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits, and for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it has 3 printed digits more. Should be a 0 star puzzle, and for a 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 14 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. We'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number? Let me start with the 1 then. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 6 in this column, last column, 6 in that column. Oh, we have a pair. 6 and a 7 in the last column, 6 and a 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 and the 7 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and 7 goes there. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this column? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. Well, I need to write 3, 5, 9. And that means the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 2, 8. So again, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8, and look. We have an 8 in this middle row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. So the 2 and the 4 are left. The 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. Alright, so we have a pair here again. 2 and a 4 in this row. 2 and a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Okay. And now, interesting. Let me see. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between. The second row, the only place left for the 4 is should be there. 1, 7, 3 missing numbers. Oh wait, we have 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay, 3, 5, 9, 5, 9. Alright. 4, 4, 3, 3. Need a 2 here. Okay, need a 9 here. Well. Come on, we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, no, only 2 places left. The 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 3, 3. I'm thinking. Need a 5 here. 1, 6, and 2. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are: 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, and look, we have 1 and the 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. 1 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 here in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 2. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and 6. We have a 6 now, so this box should be a 1 now. Alright. Need a 6 here. Wow. I need a 3 here. And I need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, and a 9. Well, we have here 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is the number 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this row. It should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. The 9 in this row, the 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, okay. Need to wait. 1, 7, need a 3, need a 5, 5, 5 here. 5, need a 8, 8. Come on. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left with the 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. I need a 2 here. 1, 5, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8, 1, 5, 8. And look, with 1 and 8 in the last row. So no 1 and 8 in this box. 1 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 5. Alright. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 5 in the middle column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to mark those 2 boxes. Okay. And now 5 and 5 here. Need a 6 here. Yeah, 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left. 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 2 and a 4. Overlook this 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 2 in that column, 2 in this column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Front of us, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this first row, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left on 3 in this big square. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From us, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this row, the first row for number 1. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 1 in this column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here, 1 in that row, no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the ones are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Alright, how about 3 and a 4? We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And how about a 2 and a 4? We have a 4 now in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Then 3, 5, 9. Okay. Let me see. Need a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Now 1 box left in this third row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. Right. So we have a 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column. So the column between only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 3 and the 9. Alright, 3 and the 9. We have a 3 now in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Almost finished. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in the third column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Exactly 14 minutes. Well. Told you I need to be faster than 14 minutes. 0 stars here. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. It's a 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the 4 stars Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.